there and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create and link your classes in Formative. First off, I'm going to show you how to access Formative using your laptop, and then I'm going to show you the two different ways that you can either create or link your classes directly in Formative. Let's begin by accessing Formative. First things first, you're going to want to open up whatever search engine you'd like. I'm using Google Chrome, but it works on plenty other search engines as well. You're going to go ahead and search in your browser formative.com and hit enter, and you'll be navigated over to a site that looks just like this. Once you've clicked dashboard, it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. This is going to be where you access all the tools and features that Formative has to offer. So from this dashboard, there are two ways to import or add classes. You can see them listed on this direct homepage, but I'm also going to show you how you can access the same features using the Classes tab on the left-hand side of your screen. So go ahead and on the left-hand side of your screen, on your navigation bar, you'll see three slots down from the top, a tab that says Classes. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to a page that looks a little bit like this. Right now, it's pretty blank because we haven't yet done any work in adding our classes, but don't worry, I'll get you started. So we're going to start by creating a new class. So go ahead and click on Create a New Class. Now that you've clicked Create Your Class, you're going to go ahead and enter the details for that specific class. We're going to start off by entering your class name. You can go ahead and customize by selecting a specific class color, and you can use these colors to differentiate between different classes. You have the option of also adding an icon if you would like. It's very important to make sure that you select a grade level. So for example, I'm going to do 3rd grade and a subject. So for example, I could do art. Once you've completed filling in the information to create your class, you can go ahead and hit Create in the bottom right-hand corner of the pop-up, and you will see this class appear. Once you've created your class, you'll be prompted with a page that looks like this. From here, you will send out the access details to join your class. You have two options. You can either send out the class join link here by copying it to your clipboard and then including it in an email. You can include it on your Google Classroom page or any other learning management system you use, or you can simply put up the link for students to type in during class. You can also send out the student join code, where you can copy this code to the right of the join link, and it is the same process for having students join, except the students will have to type that code in on the welcome page of their Formative. The option is yours, but either works perfectly. I've already showed you how to use the Create a New Class option, and now I'm going to show you how to use the Import Class Roster option. So go ahead and click on Import Class Roster, and you can select whichever learning management system that you use. I'm going to use Google Classroom, for example. Once you click on Sync Rosters with Google Classroom, you will be able to see the different classes that you have created within your Google Classroom. If your Google Classroom is not already linked with your Formative account, make sure that you're using the same Gmail account for your Formative login as you would for your Gmail on Google Classroom. You'll see the different classes that you've created in Google Classroom, and you can select them here on the Google Classroom import page. I'm going to import this class, K-12 Communication with Tech Tools. You are going to select the box to the left-hand side, and it will show your students in the class. So I am going to select these students, and at the bottom you will hit Import. Once you've hit Import, you can go ahead and hit Close on the bottom left-hand side of your screen, and you will have created your new class.